this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Right, some of those nets that I've had in the remnant packs, I have made nets out of them for going next to my window, over my back door, so flies don't come in, but it will allow a breeze in. And I thought I'll do something else with them today. Now, I've got one here, there's no pattern on it apart from stripes, and it's approximately 42 inches long. Now, this top bit that's got where you would thread your wire through, I'm going to save that and I'm going to use it. And I'm going to cut roughly down here, and I don't know how far that is. My ruler tells me it's approximately 16 inches by, it is folded, so it'll be by 15 inches, 30 inches in total. What I'm going to do now is sew down the side and across the bottom. I'm going to leave this bit where you would put your wire unsewn, because I'm going to put my thread through there. Oh, not thread, but my cord or wherever I use to do it. So I'll just stitch that up now. I've got black cotton in, so one, you'll be able to see well, and two, I can't be bothered to change it, so you're going to see it well. So I'll just stitch it now. Now from this bottom bit, I've cut it in half, so what I'm going to do is, that's going to be my bottom. Yeah, I'll just turn it over and then turn it over again to neaten it. Right, from this one in the middle, I've about an inch down, I've just turned it under so it's nice and finished, and that's at the top edge. The other edge I've just sewn all the way down from the very top, but on this one, this side, I'm going to be first of all opening it out and then turning it over by roughly half an inch, the amount that I've left. So I'll turn it over by 3/4 of an inch, something like that, and just stitch all the way along. That's it, quickly done. As you can see, the top there, I've left it so I can put a cord in, and it won't be a drawstring that you pull both sides. Just scrunch it up one side. I'm just let's turn it the right way out, although these don't really matter, but you can put cord in it or bias tape. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with mine just yet. I just thought I'd make this and then figure it out, because I'm in the middle of quilting up a sofa through. So, different size net bags, but this one's slightly heavier. These two won't really be much different in weight wise, and the plastic carrier, the plastic bags that you put your produce in, like your apples or your oranges in, it won't be much different at all. this one is a bit heavier, so it may add to it, but that's like a penny, and as far as I'm concerned, a penny every now and again to help save on the amount of plastic that we go through is worth it. And they're different sizes, so I'll put the cords through them and put them in me shopping bags for when I go shopping, which is about once every 3 months. Thank you. Bye.